So there's been this ongoing storm right now in the world, and we can't go anywhere. There's nothing to do. Everything is closed. So crafts. Today's craft is Easter bunnies made with footprints and cotton balls and adorable little pictures.
We are making this a series, and I hope you enjoy.
Check it out.
Check it out.
I have already made these two prototypes. Smaller one is for the baby, the bigger one is for the girls. And they're each going to make two so that we get a set and Grandma gets a set. Excitement!
Yay! Get some video of that masterpiece.
Bird. It's a plane. It's a bird plane.
Now it's a pencil and a nose.
We are using colored construction paper, and there's gonna be, see, these are the ears, and then there's gonna be a colored part inside the ears. There's also gonna be a colored part on the belly.
This is really thin construction paper.
Dollar store for you. I didn't get enough supplies for 2 sets, so we're only making 1 set for now and making another set this week. The girls will work on it this week, but we're gonna get the 1 set now done for everybody.
What's up with your ears, Lil?
It's like I make things cute. Not like that.
Skitty bing bing bing.
You chose yellow for your ears?
Yep.
Yeah? Are you gonna go with the same idea Lila went with?
No.
No.
Hey, Lila. What you doing? What you doing, Lila?
Flossing.
So now you need circles of color out of your remaining colors to put a circle in the middle. Do you want a bowl to trace?
Yes.
No.
It's an avocado. Thanks. Wait, that wasn't the idea.
Oh my god.
Look, I just drew a perfect circle.
I
drew a perfect circle without anything.
Nice.
See, I couldn't have used anything from here.
You hid the bowl.
I did not hide the bowl.
Please tell me it dries clear.
Why would it?
Yes, it dries clear.
Funny.
Nice.
Funny.
With
There's
no
a bunny.
face.
Our bunnies should be friends.
Hi.
Cute bunnies.
It's not an avocado.
It could be though. Welcome back to our family YouTube channel, where we are all smiles and hugs. Galaxy Umu. Arr. Arr.
What you doing, Emily?
Hi, now I'm cutting out the colorful bellies for the babies' bunnies. There's one of T's bunnies.
Wait.
It's more specialer.
So now we need pictures of everybody. Everybody's getting a cute little face pic that's gonna go at the face of the bunny.
We got our pictures printed off for our bunnies. Next step is to put paint on the kids' feet
Yeah, make footprints.
and make footprints.
Is it tickle? What am I doing? What am I doing? Mom. Stand them up.
Yay!
Does it tickle? You got blue feet. You got blue feet. All right, stand them up. It's a little smudgy, but it'll do. Bend your knee. Okay. Oh, you hand me that washcloth. Lift up.
Ooh, that's nice.
It's like, Mom, what are you doing to all of our feet?
Mom.
Stop! You kick me in the face. You're so grounded. Stop!
It's not so ticklish for me.
You gotta stop.
Mom.
Straight down. Straight up. Oh, it's an Evie foot. It's so cute.
It looks like
Cute.
Aw.
Oh God, no! That is the spot.
Stop.
No.
I have to finish.
No.
I'm almost done. I know the spot. It's right here.
No, stop.
Okay. Straight down. No, straight up. Ugh.
Hey, some of my you pushed. No, they're uneven.
All right, so everybody's got footprints now.
So you cutting out some baby face?
I am cutting out some baby face. Just like so. The girls should be doing the same thing to their pictures.
Aww.
it looks weird.
Da 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 da.
Why'd you cut it like that?
Because I can.
Aww.
La da da.
All right, so now we're gonna carefully glue with the glue sticks our faces in the middle of our faces. Do y'all want me to cut your feet out in fashionable ways, or would you like to?
I want you to.
I would like to.
Next step, cotton balls. So you both are gonna take the glue and you're just gonna put a swirl
I know.
in all of your white spots. You don't need a ton of glue, just lines of glue.
I know.
And then you're gonna put cotton balls, fill all the white stuff with cotton balls.
I did all this stuff in like kindergarten, first grade.
So here's Lila's feet. And here's Evie's feet.
They're almost done.
Evie's are more detailed.
Yeah.
And mine are fluffy. I think I'm gonna name my bunny Forest Marshmallow.
Forest mallow,
Uh-huh. Do you know why?
because it's green and made of marshmallows.
Yes. Yes, I am that type of person.
Final step to our bunnies, gluing on the feet.
Already glued on the
Yay! So I'm gonna glue on my bunny. And
Use plenty of glue because some of it's gonna soak into the things right away. Not like flops, but
how do you suppose? Okay. Like this?
yep.
Okay.
So many people are gonna be like, oh, you're doing it wrong, but I don't care.
Squish, squish, squish. Yay! Feet.
Ta-da! Bunnies!
I'm blue, I'm a D, I'm a die.
So the bunnies are done.
Yep.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Now we have to wait until they're dry to use them. What do we use them for, Emily?
Decoration!
Oh, okay.
We'll hang them up somewhere. Leela, what are you doing? So, we hope you liked our bunnies. They were super fun to make. We love them and we'll cherish them for years to come. Check us out for our next video. We'll be making Easter ornaments.
Yes, we will be making Easter ornaments, and that is going to be pretty fun. So stay tuned.
If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And also, please subscribe if you liked the video. And also, don't forget to follow us on Twitter at JFamTimes. And Thank you for watching and have a
Johnson-ish
Johnson-ish day.